Hey there, Chris Bassett here, and I'm diving into a super simple but essential tutorial how to take a screenshot on your iPhone 16. Locate both buttons. On the right side of your iPhone 16, you'll find a side button. That's the power button, and on the left side, there's the volume up button. When you want to take a screenshot of the image that is currently on your phone screen, you'll press these two buttons together. Simultaneously, press and quickly release the side button and volume up button. You'll hear a camera shutter sound, if your sound is on, and you'll see a brief flash on the screen. Screenshot captured. What you want to do next is it'll pop up in the lower left-hand corner for a few seconds. You can mark it up with the editor, you can crop, draw, or text, or annotate. You can swipe left to dismiss it and save it automatically to your photo apps. Or you can quickly share it via messages, mail, or social media. Pro tip. If you want a full page screenshot, like for a long web page, tap the thumbnail, then select full page in the top right corner. This works great in Safari or other apps with scrolling content. Next, let's go over some alternative ways to screenshot. On the iPhone 16, you can use the Action button. First, you'll need to create a simple shortcut in the shortcut apps. So go ahead and go to the iStore, search up Shortcuts, and then download it to your phone. Go ahead and open up the app, and then you'll want to tap the plus icon in the top right to create a new shortcut. In the search bar where it says Search Actions, type Take Screenshot to add that action. Next, search for and add Save to Photo Album as the next action. This ensures that it saves directly to your Photos app. Tap Done and name it something like Screenshot for an easy reference. Now we can assign this to the Action button. So go ahead and go back to your settings, and then in the Settings menu, go to the Action button. Swipe through the options until you see Shortcut. I think I had to swipe to the left. Tap Choose a Shortcut and then select the one that you just created. You can now press and hold the Action button to create a screenshot instantly. I'll do a quick on-screen demo. Hold down the button, you can see the screen flashes and it captures it. This is a game changer for quick captures. And then I'll just go into my photos. You can see it was saved in my photos as the first option. No buttons? No problem. Here's a couple button-free ways. The back tap gesture. Head to Settings, then to Accessibility, then to Touch, then to Back Tap. You can now choose the double tap or triple tap option, and then select Screenshot. I prefer double tap, seems like it's a little bit simpler, but just scroll down the list, highlight Screenshot, and there you go. Now you can double tap the back of your iPhone twice or 3 times to capture a screenshot. Pretty easy. For the next method, we'll use AssistiveTouch. It's great for accessibility. Go ahead and go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, AssistiveTouch, and then turn that on. You can now customize the menu. I like to go to Double Tap and then search for Screenshot. Now, when you double tap that circle that's in the lower right-hand corner, you take a screenshot. Pretty easy. For the final method to take a screenshot, let's set up Siri. So go to your settings and then Apple Intelligence and Siri, and then Talk and Type to Siri. Once you select that, you can choose Hey Siri, and now you got to go through a quick setup menu where you read aloud what she has on the screen. Once Siri's ready, you can just go ahead and say, Hey Siri, take a screenshot. She'll then take a screenshot. Pretty simple. If your screenshots aren't working, here's a short list you can use to troubleshoot common issues. Check out some other videos over here. I've got some Amazon links in the description. Use those links, help support. I'd really appreciate it. Any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.